Talks where we're doing our cooking thing. It's the holidays. I wanted you guys to join me today as I prepare my sweet potato pie and my coconut pie. Quick and easy, fast cleanup. I've already washed and prepped my potatoes. Now I'm gonna place some foil down on the pan as I fight with the paper towel roll. I'm gonna now just wipe off my potatoes and lay them on the tray. I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'm just going to spray off my potatoes a little with some oil. This will help prevent them from sticking to the foil. Of course, once I spray them, I'm just going to rub them all over and massage the oil into the skin. Now that I'm done playing with them, I'm going to stick them in the oven for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Now, I'm going to start my base already off of my coconut pie. Here I've already placed about a cup of Carnation evaporated milk and a cup of condensed milk. I'm now adding 3 eggs. We're going to add about a teaspoon of salt. Maybe a little more. We're going to add next a cup of sugar. Two teaspoons of vanilla. We're just going to push this around, break up the egg yolk. In the microwave, I melted a stick of butter that I'm going to now incorporate into the mixture. Now it's time to add the coconut. Shown here, I'm adding 2 cups, but usually I make about 3.5 to 4 cups that I use. I just usually start to incorporate at 2 and then add a cup. Now, like I said, quick and easy. We are using, yes, frozen pie shells. We're going to pour half the mixture in one and the other half in the other. Do not be afraid to fill this all the way to the top. As it bakes, it will rise a little and it will settle when you pull it out. This is going into the oven on 350 degrees. It's going on top of the rack with the sweet potatoes. Here we are, our finished product. 2 homemade coconut pies, quick and easy. We have our baked sweet potatoes. We're going to just go ahead and peel those off camera. We have them peeled. We're going to smash them off camera. And I hand smashed these myself. Okay. And I've added here eggs, evaporated milk, cinnamon, sugar, salt, nutmeg. We are using deep dish pie shells for this one. We use regular pie shells for our coconut pies. I'm going to take it all the way up to the top. I prepare my sweet potato mixture very thick and hearty. I don't like it loose and runny. Smooth that on out. This will be going into the oven that's been preheated at 350 degrees for about 90 minutes. And here you have the finished product.